Friends, hello everyone. Welcome to our channel. In this video, I will tell you and show you how you can easily create reels from your post in Instagram app. Please, friends, subscribe to our channel. Be sure to put your likes. Don't forget to write comments. And let us get started with you. So friends, how can you make reels from your Instagram post? It's actually a very simple process, and now I'm going to show you it from the very beginning. So when you open the Instagram app, you'll need to go to your page and select the post that you'd like to reels from. Let me tell you right away that you will only be able to do reels if you have 2 or more photos in your post. If you have one photo, you won't be able to do this kind of video reels. Choose a publication that has more than one photo. You can find it immediately because on a publication like that you'll have these 2 squares at the top, which means it's a series of photos. Open such a publication. Then click on the 3 dots above it at the top. Then find the section here to create the reels from this post. If, friends, you can't find this option in your menu above the post, then I suggest you go to your App Store or Google Play App Store and update Instagram there, because you may have an outdated version of this app, and from that you can't find these options. So, click Create Reels from this post. Now as you can see, you will be offered different music. To select it, you can swipe and choose the one that you like. Or you can click on the search engine here and find the song that you would like to insert. Once you choose a song, click Next at the bottom. Now friends, you go to the next step, a page like this where you can, for example, reduce or increase the size of the photo's duration. To do that, you need to click on the photo. You'll get these yellow frames like this, and you need to either reduce or enlarge them. Also friends, here you will be able to add some captions. You can also crop your Reels videos. You can add different stickers. Can add, for example, some recording of your voice and some other sound. You can put some kind of filter, let's say, on your video. So, friends, when you're done with this kind of editing, at the top right, click on the blue arrow and you'll be taken to a page like this. What can you do here? Here you can, for example, add a mention of some person. You can also add geolocation. You can add hashtags. Also, once you're done with all the editing of your future Reels video here, click Share at the bottom. This will immediately start publishing your Reels video. And after you are done, your video will look like the following. There'll be pictures like this, where there will be music, and they'll just flip through a few seconds to the music and maybe your text. This is how you can easily create reels from your Instagram post. I really hope, friends, that you found this video helpful and that it was useful to you. Please, friends, subscribe to our channel, put your likes. Take care.